I would turn it the same way I turn the lugs off. Yep. Watch your knuckles. There you go. See a little sprint? Go ahead. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice.
Watch him hit his head.
Shut up. Alright, probably saying, why the hell are they making me go screw this thing off so much? You look like you're going to screw it next Thursday. Why is this thing so big? It doesn't need to be this big. I'd say it's loose. I would just lift up on it. Not the tire, the thing you screw.
No, I tried that. I've been trying it every like 5 twists.
Right, first tire exchange. I love it.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh boy. Put it by your car here where you're going to be working. You want it close by. Put it right on the floor by you. Because now when you want it up, I'd spin it the other way. Keep all my lugs in there. So my lugs don't run. Oh, go ahead. Start doing it. Start cranking. You think you're going to lift the car with just that?
With what?
Is that really how you plan on cranking it? No. I think that fits.
Wait. This goes somewhere in here.
Does it?
I think it does. There's no other piece in there.
What's your instructions say, Frank? Hell of a time to have everything ready to go. The tire's loose and you can't lift the freaking thing? No, he's seeing trouble.
Oh boy. This doesn't go on there.
No, this is a hand crank, dude, like this. Come here, look. Look at this. Holy mackerel. You gotta lift it like this. This is your crank. I knew that was a tough one, but if you read your instructions, you would have figured it out too. Make sure it looks good underneath. You want to just be bending your deck. Is it lifting the car or what you doing?
Lifting.
Alright. You remember to put your emergency brake on, right?
Yes.
You know what else you should have done? Is probably block the front of the car because you are on an incline here.
Block the front of the car. What?
Yeah, it looks like the body's lifting. Looks like the body's lifting pretty good. Yeah, I don't like that type of lift, huh?
Suspension's going up.
Yeah. Hope it don't break. Yeah, keep lifting, yeah. I don't know how much higher that thing's going to lift it.
I don't think this is lifting the tire.
Yeah, I think it is. Keep going.
I don't know.
You don't think so? Easy. Let me see this thing. Oh boy. Yeah, you're good. Keep going. Yeah? Yeah. I think you're alright so far. There you go. Keep going. I don't know how much more lift that thing has.
Don't we have a jack? Dad?
Each car comes with their own to lift it.
Or did we buy one?
We bought the one to, yeah, in case we get stuck in the sand. I don't know if we have that here, do we?
Might be a grandma's
Yeah.
in that bin.
I think that's the entire lift of this.
Is it? No, you're still going. Alright, you're good. Okay. Unscrew the rest of your nuts. Now you don't want the car to roll. If it rolls now, we got C in trouble.
We'll get Glenn standing in front of the car.
Don't say things. Where you going?
He's gonna get a big twist on it. So he starts all the way back.
A lot of work, huh? You want to be careful if that car goes. You don't want to be under it, so keep that in mind. And don't jerky and go on when it's up like this. Pain in the ass, huh? Yeah. Now imagine this happens on the side of the road.
Oh, yeah.
Huh? What the hell would you have done? He done it on a flat. Okay. What do you want me to do? Yeah, this is a classic.
15 minutes.
Frankie W. Ricardo's first tire change. That's one. I wouldn't put it in there.
Why?
Well, because then when you want to put the tire on, you got to take all those off there.
But I don't want the rope.
I know, so stand them straight up. There you go.
Or put them in the hole right in between you.
Yeah.
The hell's that?
That's his crash from the other night. Oh, that's a blind tree. What? No, that's a fuzzy.
Oh,
Look, the only thing from the car crash last night was the license plate a little bent, and then inside the license plate there's a little white crack.
A little white crack.
Where's the crack?
Where the little white thing is. I had to go take a shower. This is taking too long. This should have been done already. If you worked for the motor club, you'd cost them a fortune. There'd be 20 other people waiting for the tires changed.
That's why I don't work for cars.
You don't work for cars, I don't know what you're going to do. You don't do anything. Oh boy.
I'm putting this up on YouTube just to tell you.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
So fast I kick your ass.
There's a bench. I think someone hangs out. See the bench? The black bench.
Yeah.
And remember this had all those pretty flowers down. I wonder if someone hangs out. If we had my impact wrench from your mother's house, it would have been done already. Finished. Oh boy, that's a lot of screwing, huh?
What's this end for?
That's to pop your hubcap free. Back in the day. For some reason they still do it that way. I used to have a four-way. I don't know what happened to that. Oh, back hurts, huh? Shit. Tough work, huh?